Chapter 9 Reward of Parayan. One who reads this Granth with pure devotion, all his righteous desires would be fulfilled by the grace of Sri Sainath Maharaj. Those who will read this Granth continuously with full faith and dedication for 1 year, their heinous offences and tedious sins will be charged by the blessings of Sainath Maharaj, and he will be awarded the armour, shield of divine protection. Those devotees who will read it with pure heart every day with love and devotion, their mind will be filled up with pure thoughts, and their inner soul will sense ecstasy of divine feet of Sadguru Sainath Maharaj. Those who are not able to read it continuously for 1 year, they can even read on every Thursday with full faith and devotion. By doing so, they will surely be benefited. Ones who cannot even read on Thursday, they can even read on every Ekadashi with faith and devotion. Even by doing so, it will be substantial and surprisingly rewarding. One who reads with full faith and confidence, his spiritual growth is assured, and Sadguru Sainath Maharaj will surely fulfill his worldly desires. By reading this Granth again and again, dull-minded will become intelligent, ignorant will become intelligent. One will be able to survive and get protected from unnatural death, and one with short life will turn to a longer life. By reading this again and again, one will not have dearth of money and will not face critical financial crisis. God of wealth Kuber will himself stay at his home and fulfill his desire. This is true and certainly true. By reading this Granth, even sterile women will no longer remain childless. They will soon become mothers. They will be blessed with a son child. The ones suffering from incurable disease will be cured. By reading this Granth every day with love, joy and devotion, the fear and worries of this world will be over. One will obtain incredible honor and respect in the society, and he or she will be able to progress on path of self-realization. O knowledgeable ones, along with the dedicated reading, you must also keep confidence and belief, and do not go into arguments or doubts or confusion. Don't give any credit to any irreverent and useless arguments. O knowledgeable devotees, you go to the pilgrim of Shirdi, bow down and take refuge in his lotus feet. You will surely be benefited because Sadguru Sai is the Lord of deserted and deprived ones. He is like the Kalpa Vriksha, wish fulfiller tree, which fulfills all wishes and desires of devotees. Shri Sadguru Sainath Arpanavastu Shubham Bhavatu.